Oh my god, I got it! Evo ga, kaže mali sonček, oblaki, ura je 11 jutri, mi smo ready, da gremo na Isle of Skye do Nest Pointa, Lighthouse, to je 2 ure od tukaj, pridemo tja, malo posnamemo pa nazaj. Mrzo je. Evo ga, I found the guy. He has an amazing old school BMW, which 1979. Is it? How long do you have it?
Since 1979.
You bought it new?
I bought it new.
No way!
Yeah.
Wow! Did you see that? He bought it new. Congratulations. Huh?
There's a special edition white version one.
Bro, man, amazing.
We'll see you in Port 3, yeah?
Je, bye bye. Model ga ima od leta 79, pa če to ni ljubezen na prvi pogled, pa ne vem. Delo na cesti, cesta postaja vse bolj ozka in vse bolj zjebana. Ko mi prehitevaš kombije pa to, pa imaš pa tako kamione, ki rihtajo ceste, ki imajo ful luknje, razumeš, ti moraš pač počakati. Ne radi, eno ovce nas gledajo skozi. Bloody hell. Take that away. Yeah, they're fixing the road. Evo nas na Nest Pointu, zdaj imamo peške še do tja. Pogled je brutalen. Znači to je to, zdaj je cilj, da pridemo do Lighthousea. Imamo peške, pa ne vem, 1 kilometer stran, saj ne vem ti jaz. In vem sam, da me ful lulat in da moram nekje lulat, ampak da te turisti me gledajo. In da moram paziti, kaj izvadim, zato da ne boj šokiran. Ja, optimist sem, vem, ampak vseeno. Skratka, gremo do Lighthousea. In to je to. To je ta znameniti del tega Isle of Skye, no. To je po mojem najbolj znano tukaj. In to vsi, ki so tle, morajo to videti. Tukaj imajo neko vrsto, oziroma neko žičnico staro, so zarjavelo. Očitno je služila za... Look, how steep this is. Ja, žičnica do dol. Wow. To pa je magnificent view. Do you see how steep is down there? There is a cable. Look, the old cable. Look, and it's snapped. But there's one more. And you can take a belt, just hold it and then zip it down there. And you're fast. Huh?
I can get one.
Yeah. I'll try it for a YouTube. We're gonna witness you being Superman. Bro, but look at the steep. Oh yeah, it's scary. So we can go down there and we can go on the other side.
Yeah.
if you are for the walk, I don't know. But I think the lighthouse is there. I don't know.
I don't think there is a lighthouse, is there?
Yeah, there is a lighthouse. That's the
Usually
point.
you'd see them.
Yeah, but it's far away. Let's go up there to see. You know, Slovenians are known for climbing. So this is not climbing. This is just walking up the little hill. Se pravi, hodimo malo gor, da vidimo kaj se nahaja za tistim hribom. Bro, you're worse than woman. You're just complaining all the time. Man. Ajmo. Je pa kar chill. Ja, kjer pogled, no. To ne moreš verjeti. Evo pa še vam s te strani. Ona moja vispica tam. These cliffs are amazing, man. Ah, there's a lighthouse. God damn it, man, we missed it. It doesn't matter. At least we don't need to walk there. Ja, lahko bi hodil, lighthouse je tam. It's okay. Did I forget my drone?
Yeah.
I forgot my drone, but tudi če bi uporabil drone. I don't know if your drone is good here, I'm gonna lose it. Veter je kar močen. And this is muddy as fuck, man. Yeah, let's go that side. Oh my god, I got it on film! Oh my god, you just... Oh my god! Oh my god, that was jump of the year! Oh my god! But at least you have the waterproof sound.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, yeah.
I got it. You stepped it in.
That is deep.
Are you sorry? Oh, sorry! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, I'm going another side safer. You see, people go here, and you go there. There is mud, bro.
Jumped over it.
A live mud, it can eat you. You know?
Literally, it did eat me.
Yeah, let me see. Oh my god, bro!
I went into it. I
Holy
went into
shit!
My legs went right in.
I thought I'm gonna have to put you out.
Yeah.
Pull you out, man. Fucking
Oh.
shit. Nice. Shit.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, here we are. Nest point. And was it worth it?
It was worth getting to go knee deep in shit. Quite literally.
Oh shit, bro. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Turn around, turn around. Oh my god, even ass, everything. Good job, bro. Good
Yeah.
job. I like it.
That's,
But bro, man,
my feet, yeah.
you stepped in. Look how deep shit
Yeah.
is this. Bro, you jumped from there. What?
Yeah.
How the fuck did you think you're gonna jump over here? What are you, jebote? Usain Bolt.
Didn't think it was gonna sink.
But doesn't matter, you can't jump over this, man. Look, there's mud. What the fuck? You need like 50 meters to jump and somebody lifts you up to jump over that,
Got
bro.
long legs.
Yeah, I see, long legs. In the fucking half meter short. Oh my god, man. Try do it from this side. One more.
You give it.
I think second try is gonna be better. Do it.
Oh yeah, go your way.
Oh my god, ljudi, moj English, ludi. Ludi English. He wants to jump over the mud, jebote mud 3 metra. Ti nisi normalan, stari. Fucking shit. You wanna make it jump from here to there, maybe? Huh?
No.
Try it, maybe.
Oh.
Fucking shit, man. Oh my god. It's kind of a long walk until there, so we're not going there. Thank you very much. We've seen the nest point. Maybe I should put it in the air and that's it.
Yeah.
Drone and that's it. Hide. You go first. Go there.
Yeah.
Yeah. You never know. This guy fell again.
Didn't think that was bad.
Yeah, but that's not the same. You went there. Yeah. But bro, if you would jump here, you would kill yourself. There's a cave. Yeah. And you
I thought that was going to be made.
and you jumped there to.
Yeah.
Well, you crazy.
Warm.
But you almost made it, man.
Yeah, almost.
Almost never caught a rabbit. Remember? Let's go. Oh, Vespa je še vedno na mestu. Ful je mehka zemlja, tako da se kar udira, ko hodiš. Sem se malo ustrašil, da nam slučajno prišel nazaj pa na tleh. Se pravi, na tem potovanju je Vespa že dvakrat padla. Enkrat čisto na začetku, pa včeraj. Šel je windscreen, ampak smo ga zalepali. Bom naročil novega, tako ni panike. Ampak ja, tole je hell of the trip. Dober view point. Res, da je malo težko priti do njega, sploh če si v avtu. ker imajo te oske ceste in je treba se umikati skozi en drugmu. Pa veliko je teh ovc na cesti, jaz sem jim kar trobil. In ko sem jim trobil, so kar gledali čudno pa laufale. Prej nisem se celo ustavil, sem hotel malo pobožati, pa je pobegnila. Tako da to je to. Noč grem do Vespe, grem fukan dron ven, pa da vidim, če se kje dal narediti še posnetek. So, did you clean yourself?
I did, yes.
How did you clean yourself?
Put a wet sock in, well, put a sock into a puddle, made it wet, and wiped it over.
Nice, you look
Needs
like new.
must.
Nice.
Needs must. Unfortunately, you're in the shit. You only use shit.
Oh my god. Hey, people really like that you pronounce Slovenian words, and I think it's time now to experience more words.
Oh dear.
Are you ready?
Go for it.
Okay, we're gonna go here. Balažic Inox.
Balažic Inox.
Wow, you can do the Ž.
Sure.
Oh nice. Balažic Inox.
Balažic Inox.
Okay, that was easy one. So,
I can't do that without moving hands.
Vomi.
Call me.
It's not vomit, it's Vomi.
Call me.
Okay, V.
F.
Not F, V.
F.
Okay, Vomi.
Call me.
And we're back to the technoshop.net.
Technoshop.net.
Good one. Šetina avtotapetništvo.
Šetina autopacetto.
Da, come on.
Go for that one.
Šetina avtotapetništvo.
Šetina autopacetto.
Ajde, read, man, read.
Šetina autopacetto.
Avtotapetništvo. Ajde. Okay, what about the best burek in Ljubljana?
Best
Burek.
Burek in
Burek, not burek.
Best Burek in
Burek,
Ljubljana. Burek.
Ure, say U. Yeah. Burek, B-U. Burek. You can say R. We're again at the R. Burek, Olympia.
Burek.
Okay, then we got here Black Magic Woman.
Black Magic Woman, that's easy.
She's the biggest donator from a Twitch.
Black
So
Magic Woman.
So she support her. Then we got Moto Womberger.
Moto Vumberger.
Okay, bolje nek prije. Okay, and we got Hernets.
Hairnets.
Hernet.
Hairnets.
Okay, and we got here Pyroplanet.
Hero Planet.
Okay, you can do it. And the biggest sponsor in this trip is Ferratum.
Ferratum.
Not Fawatum. Ferratum.
Ferratum.
Fe.
Fe.
Ferratum.
Ferratum.
Ferratum. Finnish Bank.
Ferratum.
Je, se pravi, veste, Ferratum vam ponuja spletne
Ferratum.
kredite. Tako da check it out, pogledajte njihovo stran, oni so veliki podpornik tega potovanja in teh videov, tako da dejansko sem lahko to sploh vse skupaj naredil. Hvala Ferratum, sej hvala Ferratum. Hvala.
Hvala.
Not hvala. Hvala.
Hvala.
Ja, bro, hvala Ferratum.
Hvala.
Jebote, hvala. I koala, nismo u Australiji. Hvala, HV. HV.
Hvala.
Hvala Ferratum and everybody else.
Hvala Vatomatomy and everybody else.
Goodbye. And
I tried.
Hey, we forgot about my best friend. Turtle's Pizza.
Turtle's Pizza.
That's my friend's pizza. Najjača pizza u Sloveniji, ljudi moji, tako da check it out, je na Ruskem carju. Koga imamo še? Hey, we got here Surf Shop.
Surf shop.
You know what they
Yeah.
sell?
Surfboards.
Surfboards and everything.
Yeah.
And my friends, Just Vespa Instagram.
Just Vespa.
That's it.
That's
Did-
easy.
Did we forget
I can
anybody?
do that.
We did it. Okay, to je to. Vidkar, we told you. Vidkar. You can easy. You see, Vidkar, tepihi ljudi moji za avtomobile.
With car.
Vidkar je izbrana popolnost.
Izbrana popolnost.
Okay, I'm gonna leave you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for that. See you later, alligator. We are on this point.
Mile crocodile.
Eto, i počasi mi gremo do Castle od Highlandera. Ajde živeli. It's heavy.
Yes, I just wasn't going to bring my Honda up here. It's just like,
Ajde.
Too much. I might have got it up, but I don't think I'd got it down. Well, I would get it down, but sideways.
First off, I gotta turn off ASR.
See how he does getting down the hill, shall we? Hopefully it all goes well. Yeah, it's not too bad, look. He's all good. Vespa's off-road, look.
I got the best tires.
There you go. Can't complain at that.
The tires did his job.
Just for job, look.
Thank you very much. Haha, I disappointed you guys. Every time you park, you're too close, my friend. Look at that.
A meter wide at that, look.
Bro, man, you're like a truck. Check out that view before we go. Ljudi moji, še zadnji pogled na tole prečudovito pokrajino. Nima, brez besed. Ajde, move! Ode on. Evo tle po ovčk na polno in se kar pasijo ob cesti, stojijo, ne šmirglajo 5 posto, včasih bi moraš kar trobati. Aga, Poršič, jaz bi kar šel na desno stran. Ajde, Porš, smetaš. Odzi. Zdaj pa pogledajte si tole, to je pa narejen za ovce, da ne morajo mim, a vidiš? Kaj mnoge ne odpadejo, če probajo jati mim, tako da ja. Aj, čau, vidimo se. Ok, zdaj sem pa v Kurcu. Kurcova mapa nas je peljala po drugi strani. A jaz zadnji petrol, ki je bil 3 črtice. Zdaj sem v globoki rezervi in po moje, da mi dal rata. Imam še 14 mil do najbližjega petrola. Ko ga vozem kapom, res tako počas vozem, da glav peče, upam, da čim dal pršem. Skratka, brez črtic sem, vozem se na hlape, imam pa do petrola še 14 mil. Če ni kakšna benzinska vmes, pa v Kurcu. Udan gledaš butasti pa kar še naprej, ker se mu ne da voziti počas za mano. In ne vem, kva si je mislil s tem, ker če mi zdaj crkne, pa bom ne. Spet bom mogel nazaj. Ne morem verjeti, ratal mi je Pršovcu. Prišel sem, čeprav tale bencinska sploh ni bila na GPS-u. In sem res vozil se 40-50 na uro. Vsi so mi trobali, oziroma sam en s kamionom je trobal. Drugač ta folk, ti se lahko pelješ 30, noben te ne bo prehtel. To vozijo za tabo še 5 km, dokler se odloči, da te v prehitu. No, dejansko sem mogel spotijati 10-15 km, da sem lahko najdel ta petrol, kjer naprej je sam puščava. Jebi ga zajebil sem pri zadnjem petrolu, vedel sem. Imel sem 3 črtice, sem rekel, vse bo dost. Pa je bilo glih za glih. Tako da svaka čast Vespi, da je zdržala, me prav zanima, koliko litrov bom zdaj dal not. 8 litrov. Zdaj jaz ne vem, ona ima 9,5 ali 8,5 litrov. Kakorkoli sem googlil, vsakič drugače pokažem, ampak ja, toliko še nisem not dal, tako da sem bil globoko v rezervi. Evo, to je Eilean Donan Castle. Znači, dosti snemanja gradu, zdaj gremo proti Richmond hotelu, 1 uro od tukaj, prespimo, pa nadaljujemo. Bro, how's the road?
That's quite nice, isn't it?
Cesta, ljudi moji.
I think it's going to get better.
Bro, this is amazing. Asphalt, like really smooth.
Yeah.
No cars, long turns. Bro, biker's dreams. Ampak nima veze. Zdaj si gremo pa pogledati ene krave, ki sem jih videl sam na tistih obeskih pa to, pa na njihovih magnetkih uživo pa ne. Tako da stopimo tja. Evo, ljudi moji, prvič vidim v življenju tako dolgolaso kravo. Tako da je res zanimiva. Čeprav tam ima neke čudne barve, une tam so dosti lepše. Ampak vseeno, kaj mi guzico kažeš, da obrnem se, halo? Very nice. Ajde vidimo njeno faco. Kako so hude, evo kako se je dvignila. Pač imajo te dreadlockse pred očmi. Pa dolge rogove, spominjajo me na čoparje. Hudo. Pazi foro, mi smo se ustavili, ker sem gotovo, da smo spet pri Loch Nessu. Dejansko sem rezerviral hotel pri Loch Nessu. Richmond hotel. Nič mi ni jasno, malo smo se dvignili gor in smo šli mimo teh enih dreves, ki so prevrnjene. Pa človek, mi smo bili tle. Mi smo se ustavili in smo delali, da imamo v bistvu pri Loch Nessu hotel. Tako da gremo nazaj pogledati ta drevesa, da vidite, kako izgleda. Ja, nič, če ne gre z motorji, gre pa peš. We need a little bit of walk, huh?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, too much riding.
We're gonna be a little bit late for booking.
Yeah.
What the hell are you watching now again?
No, I'm just looking to see where we are.
Yeah, it has to be there. We need to stretch a little bit, stretch our legs. But bro, man, I'm like, če ste motoristi pa imate radi vožnjo. Škotska. Mislim, ne vem. Tak scenery, ki ga imajo tle, nema niđe. Nema. Res. Pa so Dolomiti. Dolomiti so za pusi. Škotska. Vid Vespa. Glej to, človek božji. Stari moj, cela drevesa je premaknil. Veter jih je zruvil. Veš, pa so visoka. Glej to. Fuck. Še so tam, še jih je, glej to. Let's go check out there, you're gonna see the whole town of fallen trees. Evo ga, ljudi moji, gledajte ta drevesa. Influencer Richard. Eto. V furu sem ga čist, stari moj, v snimanje čruk ne prestaje. Glej to, glej to, glej to. To, ko smo šli mimo, smo sam gledali. What do you reckon, ha? Ti je kaj jasno, zakaj se to zgodi? Napiš spodaj komentar. Evo, folk, mi smo najdali hotel, Richmond hotel, zraven naš Richmond House, Chinese restaurant and takeaway. In kakor sem predvideval, lastniki so Kitajci, stari. Sobnice so pikeli, pokeli, mehne, ampak sobe so fajn, no, tako kar kozi. Tako da smo v tem enem mesecu, ko smo šli prejšnjič mimo in je ful lepo, boste videli. Samo da mi te stvari odnesemo gor, se pripravimo, pa gremo malo ko. Evo ga, ljudi moji, naša sobica, tole je vhod. Tukaj priješ, zdaj. Opa, you scared me, holo, slowly. Zdaj poglej tele oske stopničke, gled to. Hudo. WC, njegova posla, edino se zagrabil za večjo poslo. Dobre. Pogled ven, baterija bo crkala, evo. Super je. Kaj da pokažem, koliko so oske. Čist piki poki. smrdi po kitajski hrani, kjer dejansko je spodaj restauracija kitajska. To so Kitajci gor, vzeli so celo bajto, spod restauracija gor pa sobe. In biznis se udara. A to, što ja voham kislo pekočo, koga pita. Nikoga ne zanima. Zdaj pa tukaj neki Viktorija jubilej, neka kraljica iz leta 1837 do 1897. Se pravi, to je spomin na njo. Je pa en tak lep parkec. Tam je tudi ena taka sova, to dobro kaže. Tukaj so pa neke evropske zvezdice, da vem. Gledaj, European Competition for Towns and Villages in Bloom. Sem pa dejansko videl dosti stvari, da so imeli, ki so podprte od Evropske unije. To po mojem še, ko smo bliska, preden so šli ven iz Brexita. Čeprav Škotska ni hotela iti ven. Evo, gledaj, look, Fort Augustus, look, this is how canal was made. So this canal connects North Sea to the other sea, to Atlantic Sea. Se pravi, dejansko te kanale povezujejo ladje iz enega morja do drugega morja in preko teh jezer pa preko rek. Tako da, pa to so naredili, ne vem, 200-300 let nazaj in to je tukaj ostalo. Če pa hočete bolj detaljno, si pa pogooglite. Mi vemo tako malo naokroglo. What is this? Clansman Center. Scottish Crafts and Gifts. This is a store. Yeah, zato ker Škoti imajo ful teh klanov in oni so se med sabo skozi tepali. Zato imajo to gradov. That's why they have so many castles, because these clans were fighting each other.
Different clans, yeah.
And then MacLeod, William Wallace came and he united them against you, English.
Yes. But we won.
If some Scottish are watching this, you are fucked. They're gonna find you.
I apologise, I love Scotland.
We all do, but fuck the midgets, man. Would you take midgets to England?
No.
But you have midgets or
Yeah,
not?
we do have midges. Yeah, we do have them, so.
But do you have them in such quantity?
I've not noticed that.
No?
But we haven't camped by the water.
I
so-
mean, we just parked bikes there and we got
Yeah,
attacked, man.
yeah.
You don't need to, I don't know, camp and everything. What is it? The boathouse. There's a restaurant.
More
Oh.
mosquitoes in Somerset.
Yeah, more mosquitoes. Evo ga, boats for cruises. Prav, če se hočete peljati po Loch Nessu, je to. Bježmo, jebem ti midgese, it's killing me. I'm going, Richard, say jebem ti midgese. Say, jebem ti midgese.
Yeah, Benty midges say.
Aj bježmo. Good morning, what's up? Evo, spali smo. Nekaj sem se zbujal 5 zjutraj. Tlele je, če ste opazili, ful kratek dan. V 12 je še kar dan, pa ob 4 pride dan, tako da noč je 4 urice dolga. Jaz sem pa ful občutljiv na svetlobo in me zbudi. Richard je spal kot top, tako da dejansko njega ne moti. How was your sleep?
Yeah, very good.
Good.
Yeah, woke up a couple of times, but yeah, not too bad at all.
You got energy for traveling today?
Yes, yeah, definitely.
Ok, danes zjutraj. Zdaj le grem dol, da popravim svoj kovček. Jaz sem ta kovček malo s temi vezicami. Malo sem ga predelal, da sem ga lahko sploh dal gor. Pa se je skupaj premaknil, tako da moram dol to narediti. Namazati se proti midgesem, ker ko bom prišel dol, bojo tako začeli napadati. Pa jest, we gotta go to eat.
Yes.
In pa pičemo. 300 milj je danes cilj. Nekje na pol poti ob avtocesti sem bukiral en hotelček za spat v enem jezeru, tako da to nam je plan in to je to. Evo ga, Pandora, Technoshop. Če rabite alarm za motorje, Technoshop, oni imajo, naredijo, zrihtajo, tako da boste imeli varne motorje. Se pravi, tele sem nosilce naredil in so se premaknili, moram tole odrezati, poravnati, pa dati nove vezice. Ker se je začel kar klimati. Ampak dobro, gled, za vezice naredil je 3000 km. Richard, we met some new people. We met Rosie, nice, beautiful, very calm and, how do you say, astonishing person. We were talking now and he was talking about how he can't say R.
Yeah, how I can't say r.
Can you say R? You see guys, Scottish girl can say easily R. It's probably men's thing here, you know. Like you're not the only one.
I'm glad at that.
So if you wanna say I love you to him, You gotta say Rada te imam.
Rada te mam.
Rada te mam, yeah. Rada te mam, that means Slovenia I love you. So yeah, or ljubim te.
Ljubim te.
You gotta, this is a problem. You gotta do the J, Y,
Ja.
Y, and then do you L, Y, Y. Together,
Ja.
L.
Ljubim te.
Ljubim te.
Ljubim te.
Bravo, ljubim te.
Ljubim.
Bro, she's much better than you. You are disaster.
Carry on. See you later.
See ya. Ja, znači, evo ga, spet ista zgodba, ker smo v turističnem mestecu. Je hrana za zajtrk zelo draga. Se pravi, en mali toastek, ki ga vdahneš v sekundi, je 15 evrov. Oprosti, dragi, ali jaz ga ne bi platil, pa da si pita, ne dam jim 15 evrov. Tako da dejansko grem v trgovino, ki je, naj bi bil Špar tam naprej in se grem kupiti v trgovini normalno hrano. Lahko mi kličeš, da sem škrt ali karkoli, sam meni mozak tega ne da. Ne da mi, da mu dam 15 evrov za un mali toastek, pa da si pita. A kaj še, če hočeš proper breakfast? Ne vem, 25 evrov. Evo ga vse tole, se pravi čokoladno mleko, mala sladica, vanilja z orehi, pa neka vegan roll, se pravi, da je kao veganska kobasica, da ni svinjetina. Vse to skupaj 6,49, se pravi na 8-9 evrov. Se pravi, tole sem dobil za pol cene, kot za un mali toastek, pa tam ni še pijače zraven. Znači, zdaj sem se ga najedel, je pa žalostno, da dejansko oni nimajo nobene zelenjave pa tega. Se pravi, te ljudje ne jejo sadje, ne jejo zelenjave, jejo samo pohano, salamo, kobasice in to. Zato so pa vsi tako debeli pa taki. Evo, glih sem priča, ko odpirajo zapornice in polnijo ta predel, zato da spustijo tiste ladje oziroma čolne, ki gredo v Loch Ness. Evo, tele zdaj čakajo, da grejo naprej. Me prav zanima, koliko časa traja postopek. Veš, tam se steka noter voda in pol tole fila. In ko prije na isto gladino, ko se izenačita, te gre lahko čez. Počasi, vidiš, izenačili se in zdaj lahko ladjice grejo. I ate vegan. Vegan.
No way.
I ate vegan
I
rolls.
don't eat vegan shit.
It's disgusting anyway.
Yeah.
No vegetable, no nothing, man.
My Insta, you'll see a proper breakfast.
Fuck them, I'm not paying them so much money. No way, bro.
It's only 12 quid.
That's 15 euros, bro. For 15 euros you get in my place.
That's what it's holiday, you know.
I know. But fuck it. If I would proper eat, then yes. Oh, she's pulling her own. You see, they pull. Oh, they pull them. Stari, oni ih lečejo.
Climb onto here and it's filled up.
Nice strong arms you have there, my lady. That's a strong woman. Independent. Yeah.
Nice boat.
Pulling her own strings.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not a puppet there.
Yeah. You walk your own dog.
She has help. Of course she has help.
Here he is.
I'm the only one that's doing it.
Here's the king there.
Oh my god, who would say? Oni dejansko vlečejo to.
Your load is bigger than ours.
Opa.
Ah,
Don't worry, it's just gonna pull you in.
always the way, look.
He's just gonna pull you in and drown you. Don't worry. It's nothing.
It's not going to pull me in. I'll get the rope first.
Okay, the bridge is turning. Oh, hi, you're still here.
Oh, hello again.
Nice. Have a nice boat trip.
Yeah. You should try it. It's good.
Yeah, I gotta get some money before that. Gotta need to work a little bit. I mean, thanks for inviting, but I gotta go home. I got a long trip to home.
Where you going? Where do you live?
I'm from Slovenia.
Slovenia. Oh.
Yeah, I came with Vespa, with a scooter.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's been a long trip. We did NC 500 and everything.
On the Vespa.
On the Vespa, yeah. Yeah.
I had one of those.
You really?
16.
Wow.
Pretty fat.
A ovi su puni para, ljudi moji, hoćemo mi ovako. Mi će bomo imeli za na Savo, da gremo ko bomo stari, dobri bomo, kamoli ladje. So, are we gonna live like this in old age?
I have no idea.
Huh?
Nice, wouldn't that?
Yeah. Very nice. I'm just gonna become a world-known YouTuber and I'm gonna buy one and you're gonna be invited. To je to, ljudi moji. Videli ste kako ljudje grejo na Loch Ness, kako se uporabljajo te njihove zapornice in to je to, zdaj pa moramo jati. We gotta go, bro.
Yeah.
We gotta go. We got
we
300 miles.
Yeah.
Evo ga, tako pa zgleda, kad cesta zapre. Totalno se odpre. Noro, folk čaka. Načekat ćete se još. Dokler se mi zrihtamo, bo pa že odprt. Look at that. Nice looking Scania and woman driving. Whoa, nice. Nice Scania, man. Look at the lights. Very nice. Hopa. Evo ga, folk, smo glih hoteli jeti. Pa so nas ustavili. In so rekli, da mora ladja čez, tako da most se odpira. In zdaj bo to spet forever. Ampak je zanimivo. Kako se cesta obrača. Selma je ime, gledaj, Selma je ime. Hudo. Je li ova neka naša? Gdje je Selma? Jesi ti Selma? Selmo, Selmo. Svi stari, oni imajo crew. Sprav ljudi, ki delajo to. Kva so to? Švedi ali kva so? Norvežani, se ne vem. Pa še gor na ladji ima ladja. Selmo, Štokholm. Norveška. Ali Švedska. A te sko smešam. In most se lepo vrača. Evo ga, Richard se upša, stari moj. To ti je monster doing. Upša, man. You got some people coming, bro, hurry up. Hurry up, bro. Run! Evo, mi smo tle parkirali, zakaj smo parkirali? Spet prečudoviti pogledi. Pa to je neverjetno, to ti je naravni orgazem, stari. Pa to non-stop bi snemu delu storije, vamo, tamo. Ja, veš, in smo rekli, ajde, tukaj se folk ustavlja, mora biti neki interest point, tako da gremo si pogledati. Jump! You can do it! Nice. It's a toboggan, water slide. Look, people are down there too. Imagine taking a bath here. Kaj je lepo. Evo, kot je ponavadi, problemi pridejo v največji vukojebini, kar jih je. Dejansko so moje vezice začele propadati, sistem, katerega sem naredil, se je začel sesedati. Sem že popravljal to, tam, ko smo spali, ampak očitno ni bilo dovolj dober. Zdajle, rabil bi neke vezice, katerih pa nimam. Bom probal zdajle to malo stisnem te vezice, pa do prve bencinske pa najdete kakšno vezico, pa malo dodati. Mater vola, sam 4 minute naprej je bil petrol. A ta, Richard told me 1 hour. Richard, you are useless. Useless. God damn it. 4 minutes later, Dino is on the petrol station. But if you would ask this guy, 1 hour. Bro, yeah. Where are the zippers? This one, there you go. Zippers, but these are kind of like very weak. Evo ga, folk, uletem ti jaz na parkirišče od motoristov. Sami čičonari, stroji, gledajo me čuden, mene briga, snimam jaz njih, gledajo oni mene modelu letu z Vespo. Tako da, evo jih, Nemci sami. Tam imamo eno flekušo, tako da sami motori. Zdaj pa jaz bom jedel sendvič, pa v vodu sem jaz sebi čokoladno mleko, da se dobro userem. Glej, pa fino neka tortilja. Imamo pa še 4 ure, starje. Tole moram jaz dobro zrihtati, dubu sem, oziroma unesem vezice. Malo so jadne, ampak jih vsaj 100. Evo ga, stari moj Suzuki GSX-R. Predelana balanca. Noter ima še proti tank flaperju amortizer natvoren čist, gledaj to. Motor je ga Ducati in njegov zvok KTM. DPR-ka naložena. Zdaj kvad ljudje delajo. Gledaj to. Šotori pravi, stari, za 100 ljudi. Evo ga, GS natvoren čist. I'm just checking how they put stuff there.
Ah, yes, that's for the NAS. Hello. Yeah.
See?
These boxes make all the difference.
Yeah. You're not far away from them.
No. Budget. Budget and Lego.
Evo ga, Gucci. Tak.
My phone wasn't quite loading.
Oj, ta je tudi natovorjen. Gleda. Oh my god. Model ima odzad. Izdačovn, jebate. Te pa nisem videl že dolg čas. Kakšen rož staje. Benjole. GS-i. Ful dobre. Daytona. Evo ga en Suzuki. Pa Gucci. Gucci. Nice. Evo ga, uleto en s Dukom KTM, ali kjer je rorema. Stari moj, to so čičonari vse 60-70 let, to se razpadajo. Edini teli tukaj so mladi. Oj, kakšen motor on fura, a naši fotri mrtki ne mogu, ležijo, gledajo televizijo. Hey,
Hey,
what's your name?
my name's Trevor.
Trevor, nice
This
to
is
meet
my
you.
bike
Look at this exhaust. Very nice. Where did you get the exhaust?
from JC Handmade
JC Handmade. So you get a 5% discount.
for everyone that wants to buy.
And
I bought it Christmas with a 10% discount.
which page do they go? How do they get the discount?
Via me, it's just put in Trevor 5 and you'll get 5%
Trevor
discount.
5 for the exhaust like this. You see? It's from Taiwan, but it looks really good.
They do for the BMW GS, Triumphs and the KTMs,
KTM.
some 9890 Super Duke.
But this one is really strong one. That's the most strong Duke.
Yeah, that's what he does. It's a slash cut. That's the way he does it. Yeah.
How do you like it?
Fantastic.
Are those wheels Kevlar?
Yeah, carbon.
Carbon, yeah.
Carbon. EST carbon.
But they are brown. I never saw them
They're
brown.
meant to be red.
Ah.
Because it's a satin finish,
Uh-huh.
it doesn't look so red. When the sun's out, it's more red. They look like walnut, don't they?
They look custom, you know.
Well, the BST
and you
are
got this one
good
too.
company. Yeah, that's a KTM part.
Yeah. And Brembos are original or not?
Original, yeah. It comes with all the top level Brembo brakes.
But I saw you have open exhaust.
Yeah, that fell out.
Is that legal or not?
That fell out.
I fell out. It's not legal here. Because my country is not legal.
No, it's
Aha.
not legal.
Jaz ne vem, ko oni delajo, sem tale izgleda zaštekel. Veš, kakšna gužva je vzad. Glej to, bo vse prehitel. In ta dva sta zgleda zaglibila.
Okay, good.
Oh, look how he moves. Look, sideways.
Yeah, there is there.
We gotta pass him. Ajde, bježno. Ovink je bil, pa ni mogu čez. Ali preširok za tole cesto, a? Itak, kad prije kamion, gotovo. Oh shit. That's a special duty truck. Tle smo ob jezeru. Lep jezero. Oh my god, bus. I gotta go. Go, go. Ok, smo spizdili vmes. Ratale. Gled to kolono. Oh my god. Oh my god. Kolone, koliko hoče, dobro, smo mi utek. Ker ta ne bi smel biti tle. What happened?
I seen a bird fly in, hit you, and he just fucking rolled.
I killed the bird, huh?
Oh,
Yeah, I saw something going under.
or something.
Is there anything?
No, I can't see anything. Which is surprising. I was expecting there to be blood or something.
Maybe under.
No, I can't see anything.
Yeah, I saw something came under. I'm like,
I seen it hit and it just went.
I'm like pašteta.
Yeah, you definitely killed her.
Pašteta, direct. Pašteta means to put something on a bread,
Yeah,
mixed, that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely minced meat.
Aye, let's go. Evo ga, zdaj mi nič ni jasen, policaj se je postavil pred nas in je naredil kolono. Gleda, da je neka nesreča bila v 20. Evo ga, bila je nesreča. Pa policaj vodi nas počasi, ne? Da se pot ne zaleti. To je res nekaj tasga, ki že jaz ne vem. Nisem videl tega pri nas. Ker se sredi avtoceste ustaviš, ker je policaj spredi, tam je pa nesreča. A mi smo 5 milj pred ciljem. Bomo videli, koliko časa bomo zdaj čakali. Kako kar sem videl, ma tam so, glej, tam so.